Hello everyone, this is Vikas. I had done my project on retail sales inventory intelligence system. This is my project which I already uploaded it to my GitHub account. This is my dashboard. You can access my dashboard here. At last, I'll show my dashboard also. If we come to insights, let me just open. This is the insights of our project. If we come to problem statement, retail enterprises require actionable intelligence to optimize sales, marketing, and inventory. Here, how can the customers' data be transformed into meaningful insights about sales trends, product performance, seasonality, and customer behavior? This is the project statement. If we come to key steps in project execution, data wrangling and cleaning, it's one of the important step for this because we should clean the data, clean the raw data before converted into actionable insights. Here, transaction ID, date, customer ID, gender, age, product category, quantity, price per unit, total amount. These are the assets of our data. Here I removed duplicates and handled missing values, standardized date and category formats. And also I added some age groups, transaction size like small, medium, large and all, and a month year breakdown. If I come to exploratory data analytics insights, here statistics. It is the summary statistics. Here I had total revenue, transactions, unique customers, average transaction value. These are the summary statistics. If we come to segmentation, I had implemented some segmentation in product category. By product category, we can see the segmentation like electronics, highest total revenue, beauty, highest average transaction value. By demographic, I implemented a segmentation in gender split and young adults like 18 to 25. These are the segmentations. By season and month, peak in May and winter, the highest, what we call, uh, highest purchases are happened. And by transaction size like excel, large, small, like that, because we had cloths and all in our data set. For that, this size is required. If I come to graphs and visualization, sorry, this is a bar chart which I had put in my what dashboard. Total revenue by product category. I implemented bar chart on this. Here you can see, you can easily recognize the revenue collected by categories like beauty, clothing, and electronics. Here you can easily identify, like electronics is the has highest revenue, like that. If we come to next chart, I used pie chart for customer gender distribution. This is the pie chart I had used. Here you can see males are less because the electronics, beauty items. For this, females are the one who buy more. So 49% of males and 51% of females. And come to another chart. Line chart is line chart I used for monthly total revenue trend. You can see the highest revenue collected in the month of May only. Like that, I used line chart to show the revenue trend. Here January has lowest revenue collected. If we come to tabular analysis, you can use pivot table for these type of visualizations like segment, transition size, age group, gender splits, and all. Next, how to reproduce in Excel. Use insert pivot table for dynamic analysis. Use insert pivot chart for pie and line visualizations in Excel. Next, employ slicers for filters on demand. And if you come to formulas, I used you can use Excel or BI implementation. I used here total revenue by category. This is the formula I used for total revenue by category. And unique customer count, you can use this formula for this. For average transaction value, you can use this formula. For revenue by month, you can use this formula by show the revenues per month. You can use this formula for gender based revenue. These are the formulas I used to create a dashboard. For advanced analysis, the cross tabulation, I had used cross tabulation. I had showed gender, age group versus product category. I use pivot tables and all. You can use this. And for high value customers, I added it for advanced analysis. And seasonally mapping, you can use I used like that. This is the seasonally mapping. I used a line chart. You can also use this, like May has the highest revenue collection, like that you can easily visualize by line chart. Next, operational recommendations. These are the operational recommendations like inventory strategy, sales strategy, customer engagement, and BI readlines. These are the operational recommendation. In BI charts, you can use Excel, Power BI, W, and all. This is the data structure overview. These are the assets we had: transaction ID, date, customer ID, gender, age, product category, quality, price per unit, total amount, like that. It is a description, and we had a small example. You can understand by data structure overview how the things will work and all. This is the summary of insights. If we come to summary, electronics drive overall revenue. You can see here electronics is the one who drive overall revenue here. Beauty excels in transaction value because beauty is less had less revenue. Customers and demographically balanced. Young adults are biggest spenders here. And seasonally and transactional value segmentation show clear opportunities for inventory and marketing policy. Excel formulas and dynamic charts make analysis flexible. You can also see the dashboard. You can come to know after seeing my dashboard. And actionable for business overview or BI dashboards. This is the conclusion of our synopsis. A full cycle analysis workflow is established here for data winding to insights, visual and tabular reporting in Excel or BI optimization, and strategic recommendations. The approach ensures you have everything need for high level business intelligence and operational improvements. This is my insights of our project. You can access the raw data from here. You can also convert raw data into dashboards like this. You can access my dashboard. I'll show my dashboard now. This is my dashboard. One sec. This is my dashboard. You can easily recognize how interactive and beautiful it is. You can easily analyze. In the month of May, we had highest revenue. The sales per unit is 21K, and customers are these are the customers, and average sales per transaction and all, like this. This is the lowest we had. Can easily recognize. by beauty, clothing, electronics, and total revenue we had and all. This is the female and this is the male. Can easily recognize here like that. This is only for electronics. This is only for clothing. This is only for beauty. You can easily recognize where the revenue is highest collected and where the revenue is collected lowest, like that. Thank you.